Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a lighting effect to your photograph. First thing that we want to do is duplicate our layer. So you just simply click and hold on to the image in your layers panel, drag that down to the page icon at the bottom next to the garbage can to duplicate that layer. Next, go to the filters menu at the top of your menu and go to render, lighting effects. The lighting effects dialog box, you'll notice that there are several options that are available to you. In the top left hand corner you have the presets, so you can choose a range of different presets. You can click 5 lights down, and as you can see it creates 5 different lights. You can also choose individual lights here and click on them. Anytime you choose a light, it'll be added to your lights pane right here in the right hand side. You can click on the visibility to see which ones are affected or not. You also have these properties that you can focus on as well. Let's just focus on 2 particular lights, so you can go to the garbage can and just simply delete lights that are unnecessary. So I'm going to just focus on these 2 lights. I can click on one of the lights and just drag that around. And it's pretty much self-evident how this works. You can click on any of these arrow keys to decrease or increase the size of the actual light itself, make it wider, make it thinner. You can also then click into the center and increase or decrease the intensity of the light. In addition to working with the options on the image, you can work with the properties panel here and do the same thing. So with intensity, I can increase or decrease the dial with the intensity there. The hotspot is this circle right here. I can just simply drag on that hotspot corner there, or on the properties panel do the same thing. In addition to that, you can work with exposure. Gloss is kind of a shininess to that light itself. Metallic is kind of a dull appearance to the outside edges, as well as ambiance kind of works with the intensity of the shadows or less so by increasing or decreasing that. In addition to working with this, you can actually put a color cast to this. So you can click on the color swatch, choose a particular color, click OK, and make adjustments that way. So this is a really interactive way to kind of play around with your lights. Once you've done that, you can then just click on a second light, make adjustments this way as well, and kind of play around with the different types of effects. In addition to that, each of these lights, you can make adjustments to the color here as well. So let's just maybe have both of these colored. Well, let's change the color to something that's blue and red, just for the sake of showing how much flexibility you have with this. In addition to working with this, you can look at the preview. So this is the before and after. If these circles are kind of getting in the way for how you're looking at the image, you can press the Command H key to hide that and show the before and after. Let's maybe reduce the ambiance a little bit with that and just kind of have this kind of fun, interesting effect. Once you're done with that effect, just simply click OK, and in that second copy you actually have that effect that's taking place. You can also make adjustments to your opacity, so you can reduce the opacity just to have kind of the intensity of that light coming down back and forth as well. So this is a great opportunity for you to kind of add a lighting effect to each and every photograph like it's in a studio setting.